The Aputure Infinibar PB12 is a 1.2 meter long RGBWW pixel light that can be connected to other Infinibar LEDs to create the illusion of one long bar. The PB12 has a color temperature range of 2000K to 10,000K, features 96 RGB light engines per foot, and comes with a variety of effects that can be fully customized via mobile app. The unit has a simple but effective user interface on the back with a bright OLED screen to adjust the settings with a push dial. It's possible to change the color temperature and even adjust the green-magenta value between -1 and +1, and by going to the menu, RGB, effects and other modes can also be changed. For most tasks, this is the most practical way to adjust settings, especially when only using one or two lights, but for more advanced controls, the Sidus Link app is probably the best option. Besides the standard CCT settings, it's also possible to use an advanced color temperature range, but the main reason for me personally to use the app is the manual fine-tuning of the pixel effects. The colors of the different sections can be freely chosen, but even the brightness intensity of each section can be manually set. This is the first pixel light that I have tested that has almost no limitations when it comes to customizability of the effects. When it comes to light accuracy, it's no surprise that this light is a good performer. It has a television consistency index of 98+, an illuminance of 593 lux at a distance of 1 meter when setting the color temperature to 5600K. At half a meter, this value goes up to 1600 lux. The highest output can be reached when setting the color temperature between 6500K and 7500K. The look of the light is rather soft and pleasing due to the diffused plastic cover in front of the lights. Even though this is typically used as a background light, this could also be used as a fill or key light. Useful for some setups can also be the minimum output when setting the light intensity to 0.1%, which is something that is often overlooked. Although there are plenty of linear lights on the market right now, this one is truly aimed at video professionals that need plenty of mounting options. On the back are 2 feet to place the light onto a flat surface, but since all sides of the unit are flat, it can be placed on each side. On both ends of the device are 1/4-inch screw holes to either connect multiple lights or to mount a single light onto a light stand or other types of tripods. Included is also a rail adapter that can be placed inside the back of the device. On the other end of the mount is a 1/4-inch screw hole, which allows for a variety of mounting options. Aputure offers different connectors and accessories to be able to adjust the shape of multi-light setups. Considering the length of 1.2 meters, the total weight of less than 2 kilos isn't much. The overall build quality of the Infinibar is solid, and the back of the light seems rather durable. The buttons on the user interface are made from plastic but feel well integrated, and the push dial works without any issues or delays. The PB12 has internal batteries that last roughly 80 minutes at the maximum output, but the device can also be powered via DC input. Charging via the DC input takes around 2 hours. Even though there's a USB-C port, this is only meant to be used for firmware updates or external control, but not for powering or charging. The Aputure Infinibar PB12 is a fun light to use since it allows for almost unlimited color and lighting effects, but especially the variety of mounting options make it a solid tool for video professionals. This is no doubt one of the most refined light bars out there.